Good morning, students. Welcome to my channel, Happy Learning, and I hope that you all are doing well. So, in today's segment, we will talk about report writing. As I'm sure that everybody must be aware about report writing, as you have this topic in your syllabus also from class 6 to 12th. But let me give you some more understanding on this topic today in this session. So we will talk about that what is report writing, what is the correct structure of report writing, how to write it, and what all important thing it contains. Okay, so let's start the session now, and I will request that to all my great listeners that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and please comment and share and like it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. All right, so let's start now. Let me make you understand that what is report writing. A report is a short, sharp, concise document which is written for a particular purpose and audience. It generally sets out and analyze a situation or problem, often making recommendations for future action. It is a factual paper and needs to be clear and well structured. So the meaning of this statement is that the report writing should be very clear and it should be very factual. So all the things which you mention in the report writing, it should be related to the event or the occasion which has happened there. Okay, now we will talk about the format here. Okay, so as you can see in this picture, there is a format given of report writing, and at the top of the format you have heading. Okay, so what is the meaning of heading or headline here? This is the descriptive title that is expressive of the contents of the report. That means the headline or the title of the report. Suppose you can take an example over here. There is an annual sports meet happen in your school, all right, and somebody asked you or you are supposed to write a report on that event. Then the heading would be annual sports meet 2021 and 22. Okay, now in this box you will see on the right hand side reported by or name or designation. So here you have to write your name, okay, your designation also. Like if you are posted on any designation, they have to mention your designation also along with your name. And on the left side of the page, you can see in this box here at the top of the page, you can see there is a place given and then date and body. Okay, let me make you understand what is this mean, what it is meaning. Place, that means the event. You have to mention about the place where this event happened, like your school, Sainik Public School. Then just below that you will see date over here. So here you have to mention the date on which this event happened or this event occurred, and just below that you will see body. Okay, so what do you mean by body over here? That means you have to write about the report writing. Okay, you have to mention the report. Now just below that you will see another thing, introduction. Okay, so the introduction is divided into three lines. The first line is what, who, when and where. What is the meaning of these four W's in the first line? So I hope that you can understand the meaning of all four W's, that what happened, who organized it, and when did it happen, and where it happened. Okay, so we are talking about the event or the occasion, that what happened in this event or what happened on this occasion, who organized this occasion or who organized this event, when did this event happen, or where did this event happen. So you have to mention all these answers in the first line. Then you have to write about why. Okay, as you can see here it's written why. So why this event happened. And the third line is volunteers participation, like how many people participated in this event voluntarily. All right, now you have another thing, that is main content, how the event started and what were the highlights of the event. As you can understand how the event started, like you have to mention in the report writing that how did the event started, who started the event, and what all things happened during the event, like who was the chief guest, all right, who were the other guests into that event, and what all programs happened into that event, all these things. These are the main content of the report writing, so that is something which you have to mention here in main content. Now the last thing comes here, conclusion. Summarize the end of the event with a positive note. That means you have to summarize the event and you have to make out some conclusion that what was the purpose of doing this event, and everything which you write in the conclusion that is supposed to be positive note. Okay, so that a lesson should be like coming out from this report. Next time if anybody wants to like do any event in your school or at any other place, he or she or any other organizer should be ready for that. Okay, so this is the complete structure of report writing, and you have to write the report in the same format following the same steps. All right, so far I hope that you have understood about the report writing, that in what manner, in what way you have to write the report writing. And believe me students, if you follow the same structure, you will never ever have any problem while writing a report writing. Okay, and this is for all the classes, like from class 6 to 12th, and this is the structure which is like prescribed by the CBSE board in your syllabus for all the classes. Okay, now we will talk about some other important things like okay, just give me a quick moment over here and I will describe you. Okay, now the next thing is that the important thing is that every time you have to write a report in a box. Okay, you have to write this report in a box, and that's how you have to frame it. All right, so I hope that at the end of this video you all have understood about the report writing, and I hope that you would be able to understand everything, and this will help you a lot while writing a report. And if you like the video, then please subscribe the channel and share and like and comment, and please don't forget to press the bell icon, and so that I will be keep on posting the videos on different topics, and you will be like getting notified by that. So thank you so much for your patience and listening to me so carefully, and you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.